told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Omo, I need to carry mic. Hold on, that's why I have mic. Guys, I need to be loud. I forgot that my husband went for their, what they call it, site inspection today, and he said he was going to carry my mic, so he wants to use my mic and film video as well, okay, for his own channel, okay. So yeah, so anyways, welcome back to the vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. This is the first time she's testing Port Harcourt Bole, and she says she really love it, she like it. At first I was calling her to come and hear. She was like doing guy. I was like, see this one, what's my business? I just ate my own, kept the remaining one. They even said my darling husband will come and eat it. Before you know, she went there and she started eating. She was like, she like it. So yeah, that's by the way. Yesterday I was not able to complete my vlog. God, I don't even know what happened yesterday. I think I got tired at some point. You guys know that when this vlog of a thing, if you drop it a little bit, it will just leave you, like it just leave you totally. So I don't even know how to explain it. So let me know in the comment section if you're a YouTuber as well and you didn't vlog for a long time, then picking up your camera again, how far, how is it going, okay? Yeah, so we are going to the dry cleaner. We have some of our clothes there. Tomorrow is Sunday, so we need to go and give dry cleaner. There's no light. We're only using our solar because they are working our road. So you guys know that they're working road in Port Harcourt. Definitely they're going to be removing all the poles and stuff like that. So I'm so grateful for this solar. If not, fuel for choke, okay? If for choke. Anyways, you guys should enjoy the rest of this vlog because I'll be filming myself and my baby will be filming me as well. I'll be filming my baby, so it's just like that. So let's just start doing this vlog together.
Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So guys, I saw this and yeah, I got this. Destiny, come and lose this thing for me. So we are going to fix this thing now in the bathroom for our soap, okay? So let's lose it first. So guys, this is it. So beautiful. I love the fact that it's white. No, is this white? Milk color. Love the fact that it's milk color and mixed with this brown. So all I need to do is to remove this and this one. So I should remove this and then remove this one. Then I will just gum it on the wall like this. So let's go and try it out. Guys, this is the end product. This is the end product, and this thing is with my mirror like this. See, I'm so happy. Can you see that? So beautiful.
to the vlog. So.
Guys, baby did not go. He didn't go to work today. The stress was much. They have to tell him, don't come to work today, stay at home. And I'm so grateful. Yes, I'm happy.
Straight up.
They should give him that info.
So then my work will be on. We start the masses, man. We don't need to. You should have been down, man. It's okay.
I'll just leave it there so that in the evening time we'll just go and trash it. I don't want us to forget it. Finest dude. So cute. So cute. Guys, look what I got. I got this shoe rack and this is in black color and I love it. Then I got this beautiful bag and it's written peace. Oh my god, this bag is so cute. Then I have this side for the pockets for my money stuff, but I'll not be putting money here because if Potappo boys deal with me, Potappo boys if Potappo's boys cash me with this bag, they'll remove my money from here without me knowing. And a lot of father is written Nike here, then peace. I love this, and that is why I carried it. So yeah, then I got this as well. This is a trash can so that whenever I want to like put my nylon inside, I don't need to put it outside. I'll just close it here. I will not have all those lizards or rats disturbing my trash can at the backyard again. So if I just press it open. Then we got this hanger, 12 pieces, and then we got a laundry basket. See, it's very dusty inside because if you are in Port Harcourt, you should know that they are doing road. They are doing road, so everything there is dusty, okay? So I'll just wash all of them and then I'll restart using them. I love this my bag so much. So much. At least anytime I'm going out, like you see, I'll just carry it. I'll just carry it like this, like the big girl that I is, and peace out. That's on period. Anyways, hello beautiful people. If you've not subscribed, subscribe. I don't know if this is opening up another vlog or closing another vlog, whatever. So I'm going out again. Bye guys. Say hi now, Mr. Serious. Say hi now. You're so annoying, I swear. Anyways, whatever. You guys, I told you guys that hubby is home today. Like having this man for 24 hours is so sweet. I don't carry on waka tire today. I carry on waka go everywhere, and it was like, am I really on holiday or I am on workly day? But anyways, we move. See you guys later. Oh guys, I want to fix this plate rack. Yeah. Guys, I'm done. Very easy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. Let me know what you think about the color. I love the color. I love everything. Yeah. With this shoe rack. See this, madam.
Awesome.
Oh my god, nice things everywhere.
Is it this one?
I need white one, I beg. Make the kitchen no dey blow. Cause I'm here to shop for wallpaper.
There's no this one, just this particular. This one we have.
Okay.
After that junction, just be going down.
Okay.
Plaza.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog. It's Vibe and I'm back again with another vibes. I'm actually doing TikTok live stream. I just have to keep myself like busy. I have fever. See my mouth, guys. My head is aching me. I'm also running temperature. I don't know. So see, this morning it was a whole lot for me to be able to wake up from my bed and do one or two things. In fact, to vlog is something else for me. That's why I just keep uploading different short clips videos that I just get. I try as much as possible. If I have time, I just get short clips videos and just keep, so that if I don't have anyone to like upload, or I don't have anyone to like edit, or I don't have strength to edit, sometimes I'll be having videos on my phone. I just go ahead and just upload the short one. Anyways, let me know in the comment section, have you ever had fever blisters before? How bad is yours? I remember when I was a kid, I always had fever blisters, and it was so bad to the point that all my mouth like this, when I was a kid, all my mouth would just come out with that fever blisters. But since I grew up, I hardly have fever blisters. But see, thing just repeated himself, and thank God it's just one place. I want to take off this braid. I'm tired, seriously. I'm so tired. I have over scratched this braid to the point that everything has scratched out like this. So anyways, let me just start taking out this braid and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Yeah, I want to do this, man. I want to do this type of your style. Okay. Can you do it?
With your hair.
Thank you, my love.